Ganito ang realidad ng copy trading. It's simple, straightforward, and doable. Pero paano nga ba siya gumagana? Disclaimer lang, this video is not a financial advice. Trading involves risk and later explain ko rin kung bakit hindi ito para sa lahat. Hi copyers, my name is Tony. I'm a content creator, creative director, but at the same time, isa rin akong copy trader. Which means to say, hindi ako full-time trader. Hindi ako yung buong araw nakababad sa charts ha. And for the past 13 weeks, sinubukan kong itest kung mag-work ba talaga sa akin itong copy trading while doing my normal work and without even quitting my job. Surprisingly, naka-generate tayo ng ganito kalaking amount. Maliit para sa ilan, pero that amount I was able to pay for my rent, bills, and at the same time, fund for my future. And the good news, it's passive. Now, before anything else, gusto kong linawin ito kaagad. Copy trading is not gambling. Magkaiba yon. Kapag sugal kasi, mostly luck and emotions lang ang gumagalaw. Pero sa copy trading, gumagamit ito ng calculated risk management, strategy market analysis, and automated execution. Meaning, hindi lang basta bahala na. There's a system na sinusunod. Pero syempre, hindi ito yung tipong setup na gigising ka na lang bukas, milyonaryo ka na. Which leads us to number one question, paano nga ba siya gumagana? Normally kasi kapag ikaw mismo yung trader, ikaw yung mag-aaral ng charts, strategy, and risk management. And let's be honest, hindi lahat ng tao may time para dyan. Especially kung may trabaho ka, may negosyo ka, and that's where copy trading comes in. So instead na ikaw mismo yung magte-trade manually, there's a trader or what we call the AI power bot na gumagawa ng trades, then automatically kinokopya siya ng account mo. Kapag kumita yung trader, kumita ka rin. Kapag nalugi sila, lugi ka rin. As simple as that. Now usually, there are three types of assets. Number one is conservative, moderate, and aggressive. Mas mataas ang potential reward, mas mataas din ang possible risk. Pero ang tanong, ano nga ba ang pros and cons ng copy trading? Unahin natin yung pros. Number one is convenience. If gusto mo ng exposure sa trading world nang hindi mo kailangan magbantay ng charts buong araw, this can be one option. Number two is automation. Less emotional decision making kasi yung system na ang mag-execute. Number three, accessibility. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert agad para makapag-start. And syempre, may cons din. Possible pa rin ang losses. And minsan dahil easy access na rin siya, akala ng mga tao, easy money na rin. And that's a dangerous mentality. So gusto kong linawin ito ng mabuti. Copy trading is not designed para sa taong hipit. Hindi ito para sa emergency funds, perang inutang, and life savings. This is for people na gusto ng additional exposure sa trading while still focusing on their main responsibilities in life. In the next video, papakita ko naman sa iyo paano nga ba mag-deposit at paano pumili ng fund so you can finally start your copy trading journey.